Welcome back. If Telegram is downloading photos, videos, or files automatically more than you want, don't worry, you can quickly reset those auto-download settings and take control again. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Telegram's automatic media download settings in just a few taps. This is useful if your app has been using too much data, filling up your storage, or if your download preferences have changed and you want to start fresh. First, open Telegram on your phone. Then tap the menu icon in the top corner. Depending on your device, you may see the three-line menu icon or your profile icon instead. Once you're in the menu, go straight to Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Data and Storage option and tap on it. This is where Telegram keeps all the controls for network usage, media downloads, and storage behavior. If you've never checked this section before, this is the place where you can manage exactly how Telegram handles files on mobile data, Wi-Fi, and roaming. Now scroll until you find the Automatic Media Download section. Under that, you'll see the option called Reset Auto Download Settings. Tap on it and Telegram will restore the default download preferences. That means any custom auto-download changes you made before will be cleared, and you can begin adjusting them again from scratch. After resetting, you can go back and fine-tune your preferences based on how you use Telegram. For example, you may want to allow only small photos on mobile data, or limit video downloads to Wi-Fi only. That way, you stay in control of your storage and internet usage without missing important media. And that's it, your Telegram auto-download settings are now reset. If this helped, make sure to check your other Telegram settings too, because a few small changes can make a big difference in how the app works for you.